say love, it is a river that drowns the tender reed. Some say love, it is a hunger, an endless aching need. I say love, it is a flower, and you, it's only seed. When the night has been too lonely and the road has been too long, and you think that love is only for the lucky and the strong, just remember in the winter, far beneath the bitter snows, lies the seed that with the sun